If you want to factory reset your OnePlus 15, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. So for example, the basic method is to go to settings, scroll down over here and choose system and update. And then over here we have backup and reset. And then we can go to reset phone, where you should be able to find erase all data. In here you can enter the screen lock password in order to confirm. And then you can choose clear all data or erase data but retain eSIM profiles if you want to keep them, in order to get rid of everything on your phone. Of course, remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose. And the second method that allows you to factory reset your phone is the Find Hub. But in order to make it work, the Find Hub must be enabled on the phone. So if you go to settings and open security and privacy, then over here we have device finders, then we have the Find Hub. And over here we need to make sure that the phone can be located over here. And if this option is enabled, then we can open the website, for example, of the Find Hub. So you want to go to google.com/android/find. You want to make sure that you are using the correct account, and you should be able to find your OnePlus in here, so you can click on it. And then on the left side we have factory reset the device option that you can use. Besides that, we can also perform a factory reset by going to the recovery mode on our phone. In order to do that, we need to first turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up at the same time. And then we can slide down in here in order to power off. And once you feel a vibration, this is the indicator that the phone is completely off. So now we can use the power button and volume down button at the same time. We're gonna press and hold these two buttons, and we need to keep holding until you go to the recovery mode. So we need to keep holding, and you should have the language selection afterwards. There we go. And in this case, you can choose whichever language you want to use. In case the wrong language is selected, you should be able to tap on this arrow over here in the top left corner. We can choose English, and then we have the format data option where we need to enter the verification code. And once you enter the code, you should be able to erase everything from your phone. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.